It's Monday, the 15th of June. Here is a list of all the things that you need to do today. Count aloud from 1 to 60, pointing to each number on your number card. Take 10 pegs out from a bag that has many pegs in it. Say the sound that each letter makes. Break these words up into syllables by clapping. This is how we do it. Supermarket. Let's sing Jumping Jim.
Jumping Jim, Jumping Jim, let's try juggling just like him. He juggles with one hand, now with two, and a jiggly juggle that's just for you. Jumping Jim, Jumping Jim, Jumping Jim.
Let's sing Sammy Snake.
Say Sammy Snake slithering silently. Say Sammy Snake on the sand by the sea. See how he smiles as he sits in the sun. Say Sammy Snake, this is fun.
Now say a sentence that has the word bicycle in it. Write a row of k, a row of a row of d, and a row of o with your pencil on this worksheet. Hip hip hooray! It's Tuesday and it's a public holiday. It's Wednesday, the 17th of June, and this is what work you have to do today. Count aloud from 1 to 60. Use your finger to point at each number on the card. Show all the numbers from 1 to 10 using your fingers. Use the balls of plasticine I gave you in your pack to shape out the numbers from 1 to 10. Think of a word for each of these sounds. Just one word is fine.
Say Sammy Snake slithering silently. Say Sammy Snake on the sand by the sea. See how he smiles as he sits in the sun. Say Sammy Snake, this is fun. Quiet, here comes quarrelsome queen.
Her crown has jewels red, blue, and green.
Answer all her questions quickly.
And don't you dare forget, she always takes her umbrella so she never gets wet.
Draw the same number of emoji smiley faces in each block to match the number and then colour them yellow. Today is Thursday, the 18th of June, and this is what we have to do. Count aloud from 1 to 60. Use your finger to point at each number on the card. Count out 5 pegs and then count out 9. Which group has more? Answer this story sum. Pakeme picked 3 flowers. Nonebo picked 2 flowers. How many flowers did they have all together to put in Mrs. Aston's vase? Bulumko had 7 pieces of Lego. He gave away 3 pieces to Bakanya. How kind. How many pieces of Lego does Bulumko have left? Say the sound that each of these letters make.
Say Sammy Snake slithering silently. Say Sammy Snake on the sand by the sea. See how he smiles as he sits in the sun. Say Sammy Snake, this is fun.
Colour in, cut out and paste together my pet dog. Watch Mrs. Aston's next video clip to find out how to do the dice worksheet. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice. Then you're going to write the number that's on the first dice in this block over here. And that is 6. Let's write 6. Then you're going to write the number from the second dice in this block over here. So you have a sum there, 6 plus 5. Now to get the answer, you need to count all the dots on the dice, and that will be the answer. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there you fill in the answer. 11. Let's try that again. Okay, the first number is 4. Let's write 4. The second number was 1. So let's write 1. Then we're going to count all the dots on the dice to get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. So let's write the answer here. 5. It's Friday, the 19th of June. This is what we have to do today. Count aloud from 1 to 60. Use your number card and point to each number as you count. Looking at your number card, point to the number that comes after 5. Point to the number that comes after 8. Point to the number that comes after 1. Point to the number that comes after 9. Point to the number that comes before 4. Ngemuva u-8. Before 10. Ngemuva u-2. Point to the numbers that come before. Give me 2 words that start with the semi-snake sound. S. Give me 2 words that start with the jumping Jim sound. J, j, j. Give me 2 words that start with quarrelsome queen. Qu, qu, qu. Use plasticine to shape out the letters G, Qu, J, and S. Write your own name 4 times on the lined paper. Count and write how many of each pet you have found on the line.